Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a crucial topic that can significantly impact your career and financial future: negotiating salary and benefits. Whether you're entering a new job, seeking a raise, or aiming for a promotion, effective negotiation skills are essential. In this video, we'll provide you with actionable strategies to maximize your earnings. Let's get started. Negotiating your salary and benefits can be intimidating, but it doesn't have to be. With the right approach and preparation, you can confidently advocate for yourself and secure the compensation you deserve. We'll break down the process into several key steps: research, preparation, timing, communication, and follow-up. 1. Research. Know your worth. The first step in any negotiation is understanding your market value. This means knowing what others in similar roles with your level of experience and skills are earning. Here are some ways to conduct thorough research. 1. Online salary tools. Use websites like Glassdoor, PayScale, and LinkedIn Salary Insights to get an idea of the salary range for your position in your geographic area. 2. Industry reports. Look for industry-specific salary surveys and reports. These can provide detailed insights into compensation trends. 3. Networking. Talk to colleagues, mentors, and industry peers. They can offer valuable insights and perhaps even share their own experiences. By gathering this information, you'll have a clear picture of what you should be earning, which is essential for making a strong case during negotiations. 2. Preparation. Building your case. Preparation is key to successful negotiation. Here are some steps to prepare effectively. 1. List your accomplishments. Document your achievements and contributions to your current or past employers. Be specific about the impact you've made, using metrics where possible. 2. Understand your employer's perspective. Consider the company's financial health, industry trends, and any recent changes. This will help you frame your request in a way that aligns with their situation. 3. Prepare your pitch. Craft a concise and compelling narrative that highlights your value and why you deserve a higher salary or better benefits. Practice delivering this pitch confidently. Remember, your goal is to present a compelling case that shows you're worth the investment. 3. Timing. When to negotiate. Timing can significantly influence the outcome of your negotiation. Here are some tips on choosing the right moment. 1. During performance reviews. Annual or semi-annual reviews are natural opportunities to discuss your compensation. 2. After major accomplishments. If you've recently completed a big project or achieved a significant milestone, use that success as leverage. 3. When accepting a job offer, the best time to negotiate your salary and benefits is after you've received an offer, but before you've accepted it. By timing your negotiation strategically, you can increase your chances of a favorable outcome. 4. Communication, the art of negotiation. Now, let's talk about the negotiation conversation itself. Effective communication is critical. Here are some strategies. 1. Be confident and positive. Approach the conversation with confidence and a positive attitude. Express gratitude for the offer or the opportunity and frame your request positively. 2. Use data and evidence. Support your case with the research and documentation you've prepared. Share your accomplishments and the market data you've gathered. 3. Listen and be flexible. Pay attention to the employer's responses and be prepared to discuss alternative forms of compensation, such as bonuses, stock options, or additional benefits. 4. Practice empathy. Understand the employer's constraints and be willing to find a middle ground that works for both parties. Effective negotiation is about finding a win-win solution, where both you and the employer feel satisfied with the outcome. 5. Follow-up. Ensuring clarity and commitment. After the negotiation, it's important to follow up to ensure everything is clear and agreed upon. Here's how. 1. Get it in writing. Once you've reached an agreement, ask for the new terms to be documented in an official offer letter or contract. 2. Express gratitude. Send a thank you email to express your appreciation for the opportunity to discuss your compensation. This helps maintain a positive relationship. 3. Review the details. Carefully review the new terms to make sure they match what was discussed. If there are any discrepancies, address them promptly. By following up, you ensure that both parties are on the same page and committed to the agreed terms. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to negotiating salary and benefits effectively. Remember, negotiation is a skill that can be developed with practice. By researching, preparing, timing your discussions, communicating effectively, and following up, you can maximize your earnings and advance your career. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more career advice and professional development tips. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thank you for watching, and best of luck in your next negotiation.